Alright, I'm gonna get high a little bit here and try and get him to burn an anti-air.
Down, right
at that weapon drop. It's a car.
Nailed the car.
Down.
The rocket.
I'm healing.
Killed a guy with the rocket.
There you go.
That's another one. There's one more.
That was
There's another rocket.
That was
that.
sick. Oh, that was complete war.
I don't have any more rockets.
Take my rocket.
Where's he at?
I think he's just getting thirds.
Yeah,